Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article, you will learn how assistive technology is helping individuals with disabilities worldwide. Let's get started. Imagine Divya, a high school student with a visual impairment, confidently maneuvering her school corridors using a smart cane embedded with sensors and navigation technology. As she effortlessly transitions from one class to another, the assistive technology not only lends her physical support but also grants her the freedom to navigate her surroundings independently. From empowering individuals to shattering barriers, advancements in assistive technology across mobility, vision, hearing, and cognition are not just changing lives but also shaping a future where everyone's abilities are celebrated. Let's now deep dive into the transformative world of assistive technology and uncover its boundless potential. Breakthroughs in assistive technology are revolutionizing the daily lives of individuals with disabilities. Imagine prosthetic limbs that closely mimic real limbs, equipped with sensors and AI to replicate natural movements. These advancements enable individuals to engage in activities once deemed impossible. Brain-computer interfaces empower those with paralysis to control robotic limbs or devices using their thoughts. Furthermore, sensory restoration offers hope for individuals with visual and hearing impairments through bionic eyes and ears. Empowering accessibility. Augmentative and alternative communication (AAC) devices, including voice-activated tablets and eye-tracking systems, aid individuals with speech difficulties in effective communication. Neurofeedback and brain training apps support individuals with ADHD and autism in improving focus, managing emotions, and enhancing learning skills. Accessible environments. Creating inclusive environments is vital for fostering independence and belonging. Smart homes equipped with voice-activated devices cater to individual needs, ensuring safe and autonomous living spaces. Exoskeletons empower individuals with spinal cord injuries to regain mobility and experience newfound freedom. Smart cities. Cities are embracing smart technologies to become more inclusive and accessible. Audible crosswalks and AI-powered route planning apps are revolutionizing city navigation for visually impaired pedestrians. Inclusive infrastructure, featuring wide ramps and automatic doors, is becoming standard across buildings. A glimpse of the future. Assistive robots like Pepper and LEQ could provide companionship and aid with daily tasks. Smart homes could evolve into adaptive environments, adjusting based on individual preferences. Mobility assistive technologies, including exoskeletons and smart wheelchairs, could offer seamless navigation and obstacle avoidance. As we look ahead, there are a few things we need to consider about assistive technology. We need to make sure everyone's privacy stays safe. By working together, leaders, tech experts, and everyday people, we can create and share tech that benefits everyone, no matter what. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned assistive technology, like smart canes and AI-powered prosthetic limbs, is revolutionizing the lives of individuals with disabilities, enabling them to navigate, communicate, and engage in activities once deemed impossible. These advancements extend to brain-computer interfaces, augmentative communication devices, and smart homes, creating inclusive environments and empowering independence. Smart cities are embracing technologies to enhance accessibility, from audible crosswalks to inclusive infrastructure, paving the way for a future where everyone's abilities are celebrated. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to BrainFeed TV, our YouTube channel.